Will you marry me?
Will you marry me, my love? Promise to be there hand in glove, hand in glove.
With this question begins the whole epic, the wedding. This is Virmer, my name is David, and today we're going to talk about how you can make thousands of euros a year in the wedding decor industry using laser machines. Wedding decoration is a whole business that can be successfully developed with the help of a laser equipment. Let's take a look at what we can produce with their help. From invitations, envelopes, cake toppers, personalized cake cutters to engraved glasses and wooden letters hanging on the wall with the names of the bride and groom. Instead of cutting intricate and tiny patterns on envelopes by hand, you can load a pre-designed layout on the machine and carry it out in a minute. Every guest will be very happy and receive a perfect gift. The laser ensures 100% repeatability and simplifies production, speeding it up without sacrificing quality. Based on our customers' experience, we can say that the ideal machine for the wedding business will be Wattsan 6040 and Wattsan 0503. Why? Because of their small size, they can be placed anywhere, even in a small office. Despite their small size, the machines are powerful enough to handle all the necessary materials. By the way, we have already made a video about 3 machines suitable for the home workshop, which you can watch after this one. But the fundamental difference between these 2 machines is the quality of the engraving. The lower power tube that the 0503 has will do the job much better. However, if you need more productivity, if you have large orders, the 6040 will complete them faster. You should choose the machine according to your needs. For a large production, the 6040 is probably the best solution. For a small company, the 0503 is probably better. We also personally recommend the Wattsan 0609 mini router. It has the big advantage of being able to cut PVC, which laser cannot. PVC is used for such an important decorative element as packaging. So for companies that mainly work with PVC, the 0609 mini is perfect. And the 60 x 90 cm working area can accommodate small and medium-sized workpieces. You may need the larger machines if, in addition to souvenirs and small products, you're also involved in wedding decorations, such as producing large signs or fabrics, wide banners and canvases. Let's now take a look at some of the real examples of products and how to pay off your machine with wedding decorations. For around 5 euros, you can buy a metal blank for cake cutters, on which you only have to apply the laser markings. The final product will cost 3 or 4 times more. And let's assume that you can sell something like 2,000 units in 2 years. Well, you have repaid already, for example, the FLTT laser marker, which costs around 4,000 euros. It paid for itself and made also a profit. Cake toppers. A pack of 6x6 wooden topper can cost around 15 euros, one per 2.5 euros, whereas a single wooden topper can cost 12, 15, even 20 euros, depending on its complexity. Small personalized liquor bottle for guests, blanket 19, finished product at around 30-35 euros. We know what we're talking about because Virmer's customers have made toppers, set cards, monograms, wish frames, piggy banks, trays, envelope boxes, candlesticks, glasses, etc., etc. Wedding decorations are a very expensive business. Clients talk about twice, 3 times, 10, even 20 times profit compared to the cost of production. But if you work for somebody else's wedding agency, you will of course get less. The Sphere is a very good one in terms of payback, so you can and should work with it all. People have chosen us because Wattsan machines are reliable, accurate, guaranteeing minimum waste. And this is especially important when the customer comes to you, the machine owner, to brand the high-quality blanks they have just purchased. In short, this is potentially one of the most lucrative and interesting areas for machine tools. If you would like to try your hand in this business, we advise you to study the market carefully and then contact our managers. We will be happy to answer all your questions and help you to choose the best machine tool. Write in the comments if you like the video, like it and subscribe so you never miss the next one. This is Virmer, my name is David, bye.